Health Watch is presented by UMass Memorial Healthcare. Here, caring for you.
How can someone enjoy themselves while still eating healthy at a cookout?
So it's still possible to enjoy yourself while eating out at a cookout. It's important to fill up on things like fruits and vegetables that might be available there and still take what you like, but just take it in smaller portions. So it's not that you have to restrict yourself completely, but just go a little bit lighter on some of the higher calorie dense items.
What are some tasty alternatives to traditional cookout fare?
Things like salads, fruit salads are good, vegetable trays. Again, if you bring something that you can have, that you can fill up on, that's healthy, and then take a little bit of what you like, maybe a small piece of cake or a hamburger or something like that, that's fine. You're still getting what you like, it's just in a smaller amount.
What's the best way to curtail bad cookout eating habits?
It's best to stay consistent with your eating habits, so you want to stick with 3 meals a day, eat primarily healthy. So for example, if you're going to a cookout at the end of a day for a dinner, try to eat really healthy for breakfast and lunch and move as much as possible throughout the day, just so you can balance calories in and calories out.
Is there anything you can do to make traditional cookout foods healthier?
You could use a lighter cheese if you wanted for the cheeseburger, or you could use a light mayonnaise on the macaroni salad. That would work as well. I don't think you necessarily have to resist the temptation. It's more about eating less of those higher calorie items like the potato chips, cake, cookies, etc., and really filling up on the things that have a lot of fiber and water content like the fruits and vegetables. But enjoy what you like, because food should be enjoyed. That's the bottom line.